make use of this app again. Alright, welcome back to my channel Unspoken Inside. If it's the first time that you come across this video, please, if I will go for that, just hit the notification button, just subscribe for me. Sister, subscribe. Brother, subscribe. Wherever location that you are watching this my video, please subscribe to this my channel. Please subscribe. Sister, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to this channel. Yes, subscribe. As you do so, God bless you. Let's go. Alright, welcome back. Just watch this video to the end. This video is for educational purpose. You heard me. This video is for educational purpose. Yes, as a new beginner. Yes, you want to become AI video editor as a new beginner. Yeah, almost the year is going now. As a new beginner, and next year you want you to monetize your content. Just watch this video to the end. Yeah, and stop doing copyright. Stop doing copyright. Watch this video to the end. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm going to reveal to you how to make use of this app. This app is very common everywhere. Let me just break it down. ChatGPT. Yeah, I love this app very much. I love this app. Yes, just watch this video to the end. At the end of the day, and you will know how to do video editor as a new beginner. Alright, let's go.
How to do this in CapCut.
Top quality tires from cars to SUVs, trucks, and even earth movers. We've got you covered.
It's a very simple edit, so let's get started. First of all, I have all my images of the cars ready here and the red background, the white background. So I'm going to bring in the white background. You can get it from Canva or anywhere, or even here in CapCut. So I'm going to click on the aspect ratio and change it to 16:9 because that's the aspect ratio I want to use. Then I'll just drag this, increase it to cover the screen. Then the next thing is the red. So the same red, you can get it from Canva also. Very simple to get it. Then I'll just drag it down like this. Next, I'll bring in the voiceover, as you can see.
Top quality tire.
I'll just drag this to till the end because that's how I want it. The next thing is to start bringing in my images. So the first one we have is top quality tires.
Top quality tires.
So I'm going to bring in the image of the tires, which is this. Resize it, take it down. So I'm just going to adjust it properly on the screen to fit what I want. Just scale it, make sure it's at the center. Then also, I'll bring in my text, top quality tires. Top quality tires. Then I'm going to change the color to blue. First of all, select my font. I'm using a Montserrat black font. I'm going to select the color from this background here, the blue background I have here, because that's the color of the company's logo. So that's why I use that blue. So select this, take it up. I'll just set this to about 12 so that it's perfect. Then we have something like this.
Top quality tires.
So I'm going to stretch this to where tires end. So let me just stretch this here.
Top quality tire.
The next thing is to add animations to the text and the tire. In animation, we use a slide left and left it at 0.5. Out animation, I also use a slide left it at 0.2.
Top quality tires from cars.
Set the animation for the tire too. Also slide left for in animation. Set it at 0.4. Also set a slide out animation.
Cars.
Slide left also set it at 2.
Tires from.
So now we are going to get the correct place where the other one from cars will come in so that we can cut these two accordingly.
Quality tires from.
So I'll click the two here, W, and this is what we have.
Top quality tires from.
So from cars, I'm going to bring in my car next, which is this one from cars.
Yes, from cars.
So I'm going to adjust it properly. Then also I'll put it on the screen here, somewhere here. Also increase it to how I want because that's too small. Then I'll just select this text, copy this text and paste it here. So Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Then I'll put cars and I'll space it out because I want it to be spaced like this. Then I'm going to select color, pick the red color, the red background here because that's what I want. And we have this. Then I set animation for the car. So rather than having to set the animations for the car, I can just come to this other one, copy the attributes, copy, then come here, right click, then I'm going to paste attributes. So I'm going to remove this location size because I don't want it to resize to the tire's size. So I'll just leave the other things, which is the animation in and out, and click on paste, and you can see it has pasted the animation in and out here. I don't have to put it manually. And this is what we have.
From cars to SUVs.
So I'll just trim this here double.
From cars to SUV.
So the next thing are the SUV. So I'm going to bring in the SUV here, then also resize it so it fits the screen properly. Then also copy this text, copy it and paste it here because it's the same settings we want for it to SUVs. So we have this and paste it here. Off location size.
To SUVs, trucks.
Do the same thing for trucks and earth movers. So basically it's the same thing till the end. Now I've added the trucks and I've added the earth movers, and this is what we have.
Top quality tires from cars to SUVs, trucks, and even off movers. We've got you covered.
So I basically did the same thing that I did for tires, cars, SUVs too, trucks and tractor, and this is exactly how you do an animation like this.
I hope that you enjoy this video. If this video is useful to you, you know what to do for you. Just your comment at the comment section. Share. As you do so, God bless you.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.